Hi, I'm Tejas. Today I'll demonstrate our AI to AI commerce workflow built with ZeroClaw, Solana and Telegram. So let's start by writing npm start. ZeroClaw Telegram bot has been started. Now we'll write here /start. So the Telegram bot acts as an interface between users, AI agents and the Solana blockchain. It exposes the complete workflow through 5 commands: negotiate, escrow, verify, settle and status. After that we'll write the help command. The help command explains each stage of the protocol. First, the buyer and the seller negotiate, then an escrow is created, delivery is verified, finally the escrow is settled. Every on-chain action requires explicit human approval before execution. Now we'll start the negotiation. The bot collects the structured information including the requested asset, buyer maximum price, seller minimum price, asset type, payment token, delivery method, verification method, delivery deadline. Instead of free form text, everything is captured in a structured workflow that the negotiation skill is processed. So once the negotiation is finished, the AI generates a deterministic agreement containing the negotiated price, buyer and seller identities, and a SHA-256 agreement hash. This agreement is stored in memory and becomes the input for the escrow creation step. Now as you can see here, the output has been generated and the negotiation part is completed end to end. You can see the Now we'll walk through the code part, the index.js part file. The Telegram bot is implemented using Telegraph. All the user commands such as negotiate, escrow, verify, settle are handled here. The bot also maintains session state and invokes the corresponding ZeroClaw skills. Now coming to the negotiate contract.py file. So when we see the function run negotiation compute agreement hash, the negotiation skill validates the buyer and seller input, generate a deterministic agreement, computes a SHA-256 agreement hash and purges the negotiation for the later escrow creation. Also we have a Solana contract which is deployed on Devnet, and the architecture is modular and built around 4 independent ZeroClaw skills. Negotiation contract, this skill validates the buyer and seller inputs, negotiate the agreement, generates the SHA-256 agreement hash and store the agreement for the next stage. Create escrow, this skill interacts with the Solana and escrow smart contract to create an escrow account after human approval. Verify delivery, this skill verifies that a digital asset has been delivered and records buyer approval before settlement. Settle escrow, finally this skill releases funds to the seller or refunds to the buyer according to the escrow state. By separating all these skills into independent skills, the system remains modular, auditable, easy to extend. Thank you.